Will Dogecoin go down to 16 cents? Right now, it is currently trading at around 19 cents on a massive downtrend these past 7 days. And if it hits the support level that we're going to take a look at, it could potentially be going down to 16 cents. And I just want to know, are you guys going to be buying the dip? Because I know I am. This is Zay, bringing you only hustle and game. And in this episode, we're going to be looking at Dogecoin today and why it's trading downwards. We're going to be looking at some articles and just basically seeing if we're going to be buying the dip. I just bought some more Dogecoin at 19 cents. Let's go ahead and dive into this video. All right, guys, so there's this article right now out by Benzinga. Just basically what's going on with Dogecoin today. And I wanted to take a look at it because I just actually bought 225 more Dogecoins. Not a whole lot, but I'm kind of dollar cost averaging, adding towards my position. Because for me right now, I'm looking at Dogecoin as kind of a long-term hold. If it goes up, I am going to be wanting to take profits. I never took profits at the all-time high of 73 cents or 75 cents, as you guys know from my previous videos. But like I've been saying, nobody can predict the market. I can't predict, that it's going to go up that high, sell, and then go buy back in at the dip. But for me, Dogecoin is one of those holds that I will be kind of holding for the longer term. I'm not going to be investing into it as heavily as I have been or I had been in the past, but I am still going to be trying to buy more to get a certain number of Dogecoins that I would like to have. So this article by Benzinga is basically saying, with all the large cap cryptocurrencies that are on a rebound after shrugging off the latest ban imposed by the People's Bank of China. If you guys didn't know, China is not too keen on these cryptocurrencies. And it kind of has taken a big toll on the cryptocurrency market as a whole. But as Dogecoin being one of those smaller altcoins, a lot of people would think that Dogecoin would follow the trend of Bitcoin. But as we've seen before in past graphs, Dogecoin kind of does its own thing sometimes. I mean, of course, when Bitcoin's down, a lot of the other altcoins are going to be down. And right now, there's a key resistance line of 0.197. So 19 cents, 0.197. And if it falls below that, analysts are thinking that Dogecoin is going to fall down to 16 cents. And I actually have that right here. If Doge loses that support at this level, it could decline to the 16 cent mark. We've seen Dogecoin hit 16 cents again. I did buy at that dip. And that's just my question for you guys. Are you guys going to be buying when it dips down to 16 cents if it does? Or are you guys going to just kind of shrug it off and just wait for it to rebound again? Let me know in the comments what you guys are going to do on that. Because for me, cost basis for Dogecoin is 0.2026, so like 20 cents. For anything below that for me is a win. I'm trying to get that lower. I'm actually down negative $33 right now, 1.45%, which isn't the worst I've been down. I've been down a lot more when it hits 16 cents. So I'm definitely going to be looking to buy some more if it does go to that 16 cent trend. If we just look at the 3-month graph, you can see when we had a huge spike back at 35 cents, I think 35 cents on April 14th, and it's just been kind of a steady decline. I mean, we look at the year graph, of course we hit that 75 cents. It was 75 cents on May 9th, May 2nd through May 9th, and it's consolidating for sure. I think that this is pretty healthy right now for Dogecoin. Yeah, guys, we got a total of 11,450 Dogecoin. I would like to get to at least 15,000 Dogecoins. While it's still lower than my average buy price, that's where I would like to get to. But it's kind of one of those things though. When a cryptocurrency or a stock hasn't been performing lately, it kind of shakes your faith in it a little bit. But if you're looking at it for the overall picture, if you're looking at it long term and the bigger picture basically, and you know that it will eventually perform, then it's one of those things to where you just kind of gotta limit yourself, maybe not put in as heavily as you had been, but still dollar cost average. That's really important, because if it is something you really believe in the long term, then dollar cost averaging is going to be your best bet. Buy on the dips and kind of just slowly add towards your position. Don't take out your whole life savings. Don't go and throw 60-50% of your paycheck into it. No, just know how to manage your money appropriately when you're investing. And that's what I've been doing, because before, when Dogecoin was all hype and it was all over the place and it just came out and people were talking about it's gonna go up, it's gonna go up, I was buying it like crazy. But even back then though, I saw it, and I don't have social media. I don't have Twitter, I don't have Instagram, and I know on Twitter that Dogecoin, that's where it's like most popular. A lot of people talk about that. And actually in that Benzinga article, it was actually saying about how there was only like 1,149 tweets about Dogecoin, whereas in the past there's been a lot more about Dogecoin. So that right there, you can just see that the news sentiment on it is kind of declining. People aren't talking about it as much as they had been. But again, you know, it's one of those things to where if you're looking at it as a long-term hold, keep dollar cost averaging. That's how I'm treating my Dogecoin, just like my ICP, because I do believe that ICP can rebound again. Maybe not anytime soon to that 730 or over $700 all-time high that it had, but definitely into the 300s. I'm pretty bullish on that as well. So for me, I'm just going to be buying what I can when I can on Dogecoin. Anything below my my average buy price of 20 cents. So 19 cents, that's a good buy for me. And if it hits 16 cents again, that's going to be another good buy. So let me know what you guys think about that. I mean, are you guys still going to be hodling Dogecoin? Are you going to be selling? Have you sold and took in a loss? Or when it rebounds again to like 30 cents, are you guys going to be selling that? Because for me personally, I think what I would like to do, I told myself that if Dogecoin doesn't hit $1, I wouldn't be selling any of it, just because I held it at 75 cents and I didn't sell. At 75 cents, I'm up over $5,000 on Dogecoin. But what I think is going to end up happening is, I feel like once we start reaching those highs, like if we can even get up there again to 75 cents or past that, people are definitely going to be selling. They're going to be selling they're not even going to be waiting for the dollar. They're going to be just selling. And I feel like that's going to make Dogecoin fall again. So it's going to be really hard for us to hit that dollar. So I might sell maybe just a little bit before $1. I'm talking maybe like 90 cents, 80 something cents. And I don't know if I'm going to be selling all of my position, just because I have Dogecoin in Robinhood, but I also have Dogecoin in my Gemini app. And if we want to, let me show you guys that real quick. I haven't talked about Gemini a lot, but it's another great cryptocurrency brokerage app. I staked 598 Dogecoins, which at that time, I don't know what I had bought it at, if I'm being honest with you. But right now, since I've had it staked, I've earned a total of 8.13 Dogecoins, or equivalent to $1.62 as of its current trading price of 19 cents. So not a whole lot, but I do have 606 Dogecoins on my Gemini app. They're earning 3.78% APY. When Gemini first came out with its staking, they were offering, I believe, 7% on Gemini. It's 7% for the APY, and then they eventually went down. It was really cool though, because I was staking it at that point in time. 606 Dogecoins at this current trading price of 19 cents. It's only $121. So not a whole lot, but I will not be selling any of the Dogecoins that I have on my Gemini app. And I would like to put more into this. I should have bought those 225 Dogecoins and put it on my Gemini app instead. But if you guys didn't know, Robinhood is coming out with their wallets. So that will be very beneficial, I believe, for Robinhood as a whole. The stock, ticker symbol HOOD, I feel like that's going to help it go up a lot more. And even right now, as we're recording, Dogecoin has gone back up to 20 cents from the 19 cents that it was before. So yeah, that was another thing I wanted to talk about, the Robinhood wallets. I mean, right now I'm number 413,453 on the waiting list. When these wallets launch, it's going to be very beneficial, because now you're going to be able to transfer your cryptocurrencies off of the platform and send it to other brokerage apps if you want to. And I'm definitely going to be putting more onto the Gemini app and earning interest on those, because like I said, Dogecoin for me is honestly going to be a good percentage of it's going to be a long hold, but a lot of it I would like to take profits. I would like to take profits from my Dogecoin and invest into other things, such as certain stocks, my dividend stocks. I haven't made any videos on those yet, guys, but dividend investing is something I'm super huge on. So that's what we're going to be doing when we take profits from Dogecoin, you know. But alright guys, that's all I got for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next episode of Always She. Peace.